are you? I'm well, and I'm at my house with my friends. And today I'm going to read everyone a story about Fat Cat on a mat. What color is his mat? Red, yes. Okay, Fat Cat was dozing in the sun when zzz, along came a bee. Ah! Said Fat Cat. I don't like bees, and she scurried up the tree. I don't like bees and I don't like trees. Oh dear. Bad luck, shouted Big Pig. Are you stuck? She was stuck in the tree. Fat Cat groans. Oh no, I'm stuck. It is bad luck. But then the tree starts to bend. Oh no. And the nest falls off the end. Oh no. The nest drops with a plop on top of Big Pig. Like my new hat, Fat Cat, said Big Pig. Good catch, yelps Fat Cat, and she lands in a patch. I must help those eggs to hatch, she said. So, the next day, Jake the Snake, Big Pig, and Ted want to play, but Cat will not play. Fat Cat, play with me, says Big Pig. Not today, says Fat Cat on her mat. Bake a cake with me, says Jake the Snake. Not today, says Fat Cat. Look. Come for a run in the sun for fun, says Ted. Not today, says Fat Cat on her mat. I think they're being angry now. You are lazy, says Big Pig. You are crazy, says Jake the Snake. You are no fun, says Ted. Shh, says Fat Cat. Stay away. She hops up off the mat. It's the eggs from the nest, says Big Pig. See the chicks hatch? Clever Fat Cat. Look at those chicks. They were inside the eggs. When do we see eggs and chicks and rabbits? At Easter? Made of chocolate? Yummy. Happy Easter. Bye.